Hi guys, today I'm filming an over my shoulder look at Goodwill, and it literally is over my shoulder as my camera has become incompatible with Camtasia. I'm going to have to upgrade that. But anyway, so what we've got today is a real over the shoulder look at Goodwill. What we've got in here first is a little video from Brendan giving you an introduction to Goodwill. Then what he does, he tells you to go and sign up for the freebie, which is here. So you get what they're giving you here is access to give away one of their courses that they've previously sold. So once you go and apply for the freebie, it takes you to this page here where you apply to get your Warrior Plus link. Everyone will be approved for this, so you become an automatic affiliate of this funnel. Then once you've share this link and you get people to come and sign up for it, it takes them to this sign up page where you can see the regular price was $97 and now get it for free. So what they're doing with the Goodwill here is they're giving the real value for people to actually build their list and to get people into the actual membership course. So once you come in from that link from the squeeze page here, so if someone comes and clicks the link to add to cart for free, this is the page it will take them to, so you can see you're inside Warrior Plus. It's been reduced to nothing, so they get the free access. Then the great thing about this is then everyone becomes an affiliate of the funnel that sits behind it. So once the customers come into here for free, before they actually get to the product, the lost code, they're offered an upgrade where they get done for you versions of the lost code, so they don't have to go through all the laborious manual setups and everything. Brendan and Jono have set up 5 different done for you campaigns which people can have for a small fee. Obviously you would then be getting 50% of the commissions from that, so that's $18.50 that will come to you from sharing this free gift. Then if they turn that down, they then come to another one which is unlimited traffic. This one's priced at $197, so again you'll be getting 50% of this. That's $98.50. The next offer in the funnel is the inner circle, which is then priced at $397. The next offer in this funnel would be for their lifetime access. This one's priced at $197. And the last one is where you can actually steal the lost code itself. And get the reseller's license. Sorry, it's not the last one. This one, there's another one after this. This is where you can get the resellers and get $97. You would pocket $48.50. And the last one is their high ticket training, which is $1997. So if you look at this, what you're actually getting, you give away the lost code for free, which is here. Then these are all the commissions that you could potentially earn throughout the funnel. So in reality, you could earn anything from $18.50 right up to $1,461 from each person that you push into this free giveaway funnel. And you're giving away a product on the front end that's been sold previously. It's done 5,000 sales on Warrior Plus, so it's a proven, tried and trusted product. So what you've got after that, what they then do is they give you some traffic software. And in the traffic software that they're giving away in here is something that they also previously sold called Aurora, which is about hooking up to Instagram and doing follow. Me personally, I wouldn't use this, but I'm just showing you that they are giving it away. And it's just that because for us, I know that the Instagram APIs are quite tight, and we actually removed Instagram from our own software just because of the headaches it was causing us to keep up to date with it. What these guys have done is quite clever. What they've said is to go and use a proxy. So it's kind of a bit greyish really. I mean, I personally wouldn't do this for my own account, but there's nothing to say that it's not a good way to do stuff. I mean, it would work, but me personally, I wouldn't actually use this, and I wouldn't endorse it for myself or my own customers really. But I'm just showing you that you do get that inside here. Then what they do, then they're going to training for other ways of getting traffic, and one of the good ways that they do go through is the ManyChat formula, which I think is great. It goes through how he sets it up for ManyChat to build a list. It also goes through YouTube, it goes through his Facebook, and he also has other traffic suggestions that are in there. So what I've done, I've put together a really good bonus page for this. It's very congruent for it. And if you go to the page the day before this is launched, you can actually go and grab the free lost code for yourself and go through the funnel and see how it works, and you can actually see what you're going to get as part of it, and then that would be what you would give away for free once you grab this at such a low price that it is. On the bonus page, I mean, what they've said, it's all based on something from Gary Vaynerchuk, if you know who he is, very famous entrepreneur, called The Thank You Economy. I've read his book 2 or 3 times, and they go through this on the sales page, which you'll see if you have a look at it. And what I've done as a first bonus, I've read the book, I've listened to it on Audible, and as an audio book. It's about 6 hours long. What we've got here, we've got a 4-minute summary, an animated video. It takes all the best bits and crams it into a 4-minute, easy to watch little snippet, which is a great little thing for anyone that's not got a lot of time on their hands. Our second bonus is for everyone who's building up these lists in here. One great way to make money is to give value. It's following the same sort of principle, really. And one way of doing that is to let people get onto free training webinars. So what I've done, because I broker webinars for a lot of people, I've got 6 webinars in different niches that I've guaranteed that you guys can have access to, and you will get 40 to 50% commissions. So all you need to do is, again, once you build up the list with Goodwill, follow up to the people that sign up for it and say, hey, I've got this training course, here you go, have a look at it, and if people actually buy into the products, these are the pricings that you're going to get. I put together this page for you guys, so anyone who grabs this through my bonus will get access to these 6 automated webinars. One is Response Suite, which is like surveys and for email campaigns and things like that, which is used in every business really, and you can get up to $249.50 per sale, which is also recurring. You've got a webinar, which is for Ever Webinar, and that again will pay you up to $200 per sale. You've got one Growth Commander, which is about getting free traffic on the internet and using Pinterest and blogging, up to $323 per sale. Then we've got one in the crypto niche for anyone that's into like the finance and that sort of stuff. So it's $198.50 per sale for that one. Build a Bot, which is all about messenger bots, which is a great webinar. Actually, you can earn over $400, and there's monthly recurring in that one as well. And the other one is the BNB formula, where I made a lot of money from this in the past, which is talking about how people can make money by leveraging other people's properties, something I've done myself out in Asia, and you can earn up to $500 per sale from promoting that webinar. So that was the second bonus I've got. The third one was a live web class from my friend Dean, which again, it goes into, he has a long web class. It's about 2 hours long. And he basically explains the whole no selling system, which is pretty much very congruent to what the Goodwill product is. So it's a great webinar to watch, is that. Then there's a few other bonuses that I've thrown in that have come from the vendors, which is there's a 10K a month case study, another case study on $2,000 coming in from Facebook groups. These are some publishing days, one that Brendan did with Mike Temples. There's another one of Brendan's courses here where he 10x's his commissions, and then Brendan's 5-figure freedom course. Then what I've got is the Facebook cash exposure, which is another Warrior Plus product that costs $47, and now we've got a free access to that for you for a year. And then also how to make money by giving things away for free, which is another Warrior Plus download for some training on how you actually can make money by giving things away for free, totally congruent yet again. Then there's 3 other previous courses that are all sold on Warrior Plus from Jono: the Fuego Breakout, from 0 to $100 in 24 hours, and the Fuego Multiplier. So that's all the bonuses that I've put together today. Like I said, on the pre-sale page, if you come to this before it's actually launched, you will be able to sign up and actually go in and grab the free copy of the lost code from here, and you'll see exactly what you get. You get free access to that, and you can use it yourself, do whatever you want to do with it. But that's just so you can see what you will be getting when you actually sign up. This is reduced massively at the moment. It's less than $13. So with the 13 bonuses, you're talking like a $1 per product that you're going to get from me, which is just an absolute no-brainer. This package with everything put together that I've done with a bonus will be fantastic for anybody, whether you're a newbie or whether you're a seasoned marketer. There's stuff in here for everybody. So thanks for visiting the page, and I hope you can grab Goodwill and make the most of it. Cheers now.